Welcome back, everyone. My name is James Orton. I'm here at Mazda of Crystal Lake, BMW of Crystal Lake, and we've got an exciting new addition to our inventory. This is available now. It's a Golf R 2023, 8,000 miles on it. Has a unique exhaust, and then you have 315 horsepower available to all four wheels. As you can see, this is a wrap, really nicely done. Original color was black, and a 6-speed manual. So let's take it out and see how close we can get to that 4.1 0 to 60 time. So I sold Volkswagens for over 10 years, delivered a lot of them, and when we split stores to expand, I stayed with the Mazda BMW side, and we just sold the Volkswagen ticket here in Crystal Lake. And so I haven't been in a Volkswagen in a while, so finding buttons and how to turn on the sport mode is just a little bit different. So let's find it. Simple as that. Got heated steering wheel as well. Always a super tight chassis. I love how they laser weld these designs together on the Volkswagen product, so there's not this seam on the top of the roof. You have Apple CarPlay, and you have an active driving display or a head-up display, as well as a Harman Kardon sound system. See how we do through the S-curve on our test route. Not auto rev matching. I wish it would have been auto rev matching so I didn't have to do that. Still good fun. Oh, that sounds good. Feels good. Still lots of torque pull in 5th gear. For a daily driver, this would be a ton of fun. So again, this is available at Mazda BMW Crystal Lake, and my email address for more information on this and purchasing is going to be in the description below. Feel free to contact me. Have a great day and safe travels.